Welcome to Solutions with Shannon.
Hey guys, welcome back to Overland Trails. And one of the quick things we always struggle with when we're overlanding is being able to stay clean and washed up. What you see behind me is a 2-stall shower. It's a changing room and a shower all in one. Let's see if you can see that. And thanks to Rob over at Revere Overlanding, I was able to cobble together a process by using his method. Very smart guy. I'm going to go ahead and show that to you today, so let's get into it. The main components of this is obviously a propane gas tank, a Camplux water heater that is a tankless water heater. I have a jerry can up top for water supply, and we have a pump that pumps all the water to everything. And then we've got a Jackery that powers the whole system. Now the pilot light inside the hot water heater is lit by a D battery. So let's walk through how it's all set up. First, we hang the hot water heater on the side of the Jeep. So when we run the water from the jerry can down, we run it to the pump, then from the pump into the hot water heater. All I have to do is come down here, turn on the turn on the Jackery, primes the pump, water goes into the hot water heater, and then it's ready to take a shower. And so then we've got the shower head in here. It's a little drippy right now. I got to check the seal on that. Then you just take a shower right here. Water drains out the bottom. I'll put a list of all of these parts in the comments below, and that way you'll have everything you need to do a camp shower. Okay, previously I mentioned Rob from Revere Overlanding. Watched his video on how to do all this. He put his in a Pelican case and it was really convenient and closed up. Since I've been able to hang it on the side of the Jeep, I'm looking at doing it a different way. So we're going to put all of this gear into this tub you can get from Walmart. You can see it's kind of short but wide, so it's real convenient to be able to do all that. One quick thing I always do in my tubs, I carry extra tools, extra connectors. We use quick connectors to make it a lot easier when we're putting everything together. Now the convenience of being able to putting it in this type of tub is it's real simple. Put the hot water heater in, face down. Then you just take all your hoses and you lay them in and wrap them around it. So they all kind of snuggle themselves right in. Your water pump can go conveniently up in this top corner. And your shower head does the same thing. It just kind of lays in here nice and snug. Then you put the lid on, snap the handles, you're all done. Okay, now that you got everything in a tub, it goes right back on the top of this shelf here. It's the top of the wood cabinet I built to store everything for the kitchen. Put these rubber pads on it so it doesn't slide around. And that's it. If you have any questions, drop me a comment. If you want to see more videos on how to do things, make things easy, find little solutions, subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep them coming. See you on the trails.